cuddling me, but I'm also afraid I'm going to get rabies.
Hey guys, welcome to Paksong in southern Laos. So today we've come down to the Plateau, which is situated in the shade of an old extinct volcano, and the mix of the rich volcanic soil and the more temperate climate makes it ideal for growing coffee, which is Laos' biggest export. So we've come down here today to go on a coffee tour and see how they make it. Guys, so that was the coffee tour in Paksong. We learned all about how the coffee's harvested right from when they grow it from little seedlings to planting it on the land right through to the harvest. So they harvest it once a year just after the wet season. They basically pluck all the little berries as they turn red, pop them through a mill to get rid of all the fruit on the outside. Then the seed that's inside, they ferment it a bit to get rid of the stickiness on the outside, dry it out, and then they sell it to the companies that roast it. So it's really cool to see where the coffee that you drink actually comes from. So yeah, we just had some lunch and now we've come out to the Yuang Waterfall, which is about 11 k's out of Paksong back towards Paksong, which is where we're staying tonight. And yeah, it's actually a really cool waterfall to come and check out. There's some, like at the top of it, there's heaps of green grass where you can sit and just enjoy the day and have a picnic. And then down the bottom, the waterfall is probably one of the more impressive ones we've seen so far. There's another waterfall that we're going to head to after this, and then after that we'll head back home to Paksong. So we'll show you a bit around here. Guys, that was Fane Waterfall. We came out here second, and it's really cool, kind of twin waterfall going down into a crater. You can't get down to the bottom of the waterfall, so it's about a 5-hour trek down there. But there's some viewing platforms just a little bit lower down from the restaurant that you can go and see the waterfalls from. But when we came back up from the viewing points back to the restaurant, there was this monkey that was there, and it was the highlight of the day so far. It was playing around, and when Kay sat down it jumped on her and snuggled up to her, and then I sat down after and it jumped on me as well. But yeah, really cool experience, really loved that. But yeah, that's everything from us today guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye!